Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. So in today's lecture, we are going to solve some problems based on trigonometric ratios, or you can say trigonometric angles, right? Now today's example is solve for x. It is x square sine square 90 degree plus 2x cos 0 degree, which is equals to 3 times tan 45 degree. Just we have to substitute the standard angles here and simplify for the value of x. Let us see the solution here. Solution: x square keep as it is here. Sine 90 degrees, how much here? Value of sine 90 is 1. Here sine square is there, therefore it is 1 square plus 2x as it is. Cos 0 is again 1 only, just substitute 1. 3 as it is. Tan 45 is, it is also again 1. Now x square into 1 square is 1 only, therefore x square into 1 is x square plus 2x plus 1 is 2x plus 3 ones are 3. Now take 3 on LHS. X square plus 2x minus 3, which is equals to. Now this equation is in which form? Yes, this equation is in the quadratic form, that is quadratic equation. Quadratic means the equation has power 2. Highest power occurring in the equation is what? Nothing but 2. Then we can say it is a quadratic equation. Now how to solve a quadratic equation already you know well. In the 10th standard you have studied the quadratic equation. To solve a quadratic different types of solution, right? Here let us consider a factorization. अभी क्या करना है हमें यहाँ पे? 3 into x square, it is minus 3x square आना, मल्टीप्लाई करे तो ऐड सब्सट्रैक्ट करे तो 2x मिलना. तो वैसे कौन से टर्म से मैं भी लूंगा यहाँ पे 3 minus 1, right? 3x minus 1x, और you can take minus x. तो अभी मल्टीप्लाई करें तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 3 ones are minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 x into x x square minus 3x square मिल गया. मल्टीप्लाई करें तो अभी ऐड सब्सट्रैक्ट करें तो 3x minus x is 2x. गॉट इट? अभी बीच में का वैल्यू मिल गया हमें, सेंटर वैल्यू. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज. नाउ x square plus 3x minus x minus 3, which is equals to 0. Now take x common from first to two terms. What we get here? X inside x plus 3. Then I take minus 1 common again inside. What we get here? X plus 3 equals to 0. Right? Now common take here. X plus 3 is common here in the both the term. X plus 3 and x minus 1, which is equals to 0. Therefore finally x plus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to minus 3 or x equals to 1 is the required value of this trigonometric function x. x का वैल्यू क्या मिला हमें? x का वैल्यू is minus 3 and plus 1 are the two values we got from this equation, right? Next we move to the next example. So your next example is find the value of find the value of 1 by 2 sec square pi by 3 minus 3 by 4 cot square pi by 6 minus 1 by 3 tan square pi by 3. and minus pi by 3, that is tan square pi by 3. ये वैल्यू दिए, सो हमें यहाँ पे क्या है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ बोल रहे, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 1/2 sec स्क्वायर पाई बाई 3 माइनस 3/4 cot स्क्वायर पाई बाई 6 माइनस 1/3 tan स्क्वायर पाई बाई 3 माइनस 5/3 tan स्क्वायर अगेन पाई बाई 3 वैल्यू दिए, सो हमें जस्ट नाउ पाई बाई 3 बोले तो इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट, रेडियन में दिए, सो है। अभी रेडियन मीन्स पाई बाई 3 बोले तो कितना डिग्री होता है, अभी डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करे तो अभी और एक बार लिखूंगा मैं, द सोल्यूशन पार्ट 1/2 sec square pi by 3 means it is 60 degree, 180 by 3, 180 by 3 क्या होता, 3 1s are 360 sir, therefore it is 60 degree, right? Now minus 3/4 cot square pi by 6 means it is 30 degree, 1/3 tan square again pi by 3 means it is 60 degree, minus 5/3 tan square 60 degree. अभी क्या है, वैल्यूज देखो क्या क्या है, अभी 1/2 की पैसिटीज sec 60 degree is how much, it is 2 square, स्क्वायर है यहाँ पे, स्क्वायर ले लिया हमने. नेक्स्ट माइनस 3/4 एज इट इज, cot 30 डिग्रीज, yes, √3, its square means we can take √3, minus 1/3 as it is, tan 60 degrees how much, tan 60 degrees again √3 whole square, right? Next minus tan 60 again, minus 5/3 √3 whole square. Now simplify this, what we get here, 1/2 as it is, 2 square means it is 4, minus 3/4 as it is, square root get cancelled, only what we get here 3, minus 1/3 as it is, again square root get cancelled, only 3, minus 5/3 square root get cancelled, only 3. तो क्या होता है, 2 1s are 2 2s are, here 3 3 get cancelled, here also 3 3 get cancelled, the remaining is 2 minus 3 3s are 9/4 minus 1 minus 5, right? Now 2 minus 1 minus 5 is 2 minus 6 minus 9/4, 2 minus 6 minus 9/4. Now cross multiply this, what we get, which implies, मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा इससे, इसको क्या होगा, 4 2s are 8 minus 6 4s are 24 minus 9 upon whole divided by 4 it is, right? Now simplify this, 8 minus 24 minus 9, minus 24 minus 9 is, yes, minus 33, 8 minus 33/4, therefore finally we can write it as minus 25/4 is the required value of this function, trigonometric equation, right? क्या करें, जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करें वैल्यूज, सिंप्लीफाई करें, फाइनली क्या मिला हमें, minus 25/4 is the required answer, right? Next we will move to the next example. Next, find the value of example 3. Find the value of 2 sin square 45 degree minus sin 30 degree into cos square 45 degree minus cos to the power of 4 60 degree, right? अभी गिवन दिए वाले यहाँ पे भी क्या है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 sin square 45 degree minus sin 30 degree into cos square 45 degree minus cos to the power of 4 60 degree. Again solution 2 as it is. Sin 45 degree is how much here? 1 by root 2. टेबल देखते जाओ क्या है sin 45 डिग्री. देखो टेबल में क्या लिखे, सो ऑलरेडी टेबल है हमारे पास. एक टेबल सेपरेटली शीट बना के रखो, उसको याद करो उसको क्या है बोल के. नेक्स्ट sin 30 डिग्री इज हाउ मच? 1 by 2. एंड cos 45 डिग्री इज अगेन 1 by root 2. It's a square minus cos to the power of 4. 60 means 1 by 2 to the power of 4 it is. Now simplify this. 2 as it is, square root get cancelled, only what we get here? 1 by 2 minus again 1 by 2 here as it is, into square root get cancelled, 1 by 2 remains here. 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is how much here? It is 1 by 16. Now 2 to get cancelled here. 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 it is. Now take LCM here, what we get? LCM is 4 and 16. LCM we get 16 here. कुछ भी नहीं हो तो क्या है, नीचे 1 रहेगा, राइट. Now 1 16 the 16, 16 1s are 16 minus 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 minus 16 1s are 16, 1 1s are 1 it is, right. Now again which is implies 16 minus 5 which is equals to 11 by 16 is the required answer. क्या था वैल्यू यहाँ पे? sin 45 is 1 by root 2, स्क्वायर there से स्क्वायर लिए 2 as it is, minus sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and its square means 1 by root 2 square minus 1 by 2, its power 4 is there, we have taken here power 4, right. Now simply square root get cancelled. In the numerator 1 square is 1 only, in the denominator square root get cancelled, only 2 remains, minus 1 by 2 as it is here also. Numerator 1 square means 1 only, in the denominator square root get cancelled, 2 remains as it is, minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1 only, 2 to the power of 4 is again 16. Now 2 to get cancelled here, 1 remains, minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. Now take LCM, then we get LCM is 16 here. Now by simplifying this we get 11 by 16 is the required value of this trigonometric function, right. Next we will move to the next example. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्या है? पूरा ये बेसिक है, आपको फंडामेंटल है. आगे नेक्स्ट 10+2 में क्या करते हैं आप, जाके इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस पढ़ते हैं. इफ यू आर परफेक्ट इन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री देन इट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल इन कैलकुलस पार्ट आल्सो. इसके ऊपर ही बेस्ड है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. जिसको परफेक्टली आता है वही क्या है कैलकुलस में अच्छी तरीके से स्कोर कर पाएगा, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी विल सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एग्जांपल 4. Find the value of sin 60 degree plus sec 30 degree. Yes, solution sin 60 plus sec 30. Write down once again, given here sec sin 60 degree it is given sin 60 degree sec 30 degree. Now sin 60 value is how much here? Root 3 by 2 plus of sec 30 is 2 by root 3. तो सिंप्लीफाई करो क्या होता, रूट 3 by 2 है प्लस 2 by root 3 है. एलसीएम लिया तो क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? 2 root 3 is the LCM. Now divide 2 to get cancelled, root 3 remains, root 3 whole square, plus here root 3 get cancelled, 2 remains, 2 2s are 4, right, which is again square root get cancelled, 3 remains plus 4 divided by 2 root 3, which is equals to, implies 3 plus 4 is 7 upon 2 root 3. सिंपल वैल्यूज है यहाँ पे. सिर्फ आप क्या है स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स का वैल्यू याद रखना है. बाय सिंपली पुटिंग और सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल्स, देन बट बेसिक कैलकुलेशन है, कैलकुलेशन करें तो आपको क्या है डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगे, राइट। ये क्या है वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, राइट। नेक्स्ट वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. Find value of x in example 5. Find value of x in x into sine 45 into tan 60 degree, which is equals to sine 30 cot 30 divided by 3 cos 60 into cosec 45 into cosec 45 डिग्री. अभी क्या है यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू फाइंड करो बोल के बोल रहे हैं. नाउ राइट डाउन सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस वन. First, let us consider LHS side x as it is. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Tan 60 degree is root 3. देखो टेबल देखो एक बार. And which is equals to sin 30 degree is how much here? 1 by 2. Cot 30 is root 3 divided by 3 as it is. Cos 60 degree is how much here? 1 by 2 and cosec 45 is root 2. अभी वैल्यूज तो सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिए हमने, राइट. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन. व्हाट वी गेट? x as it is root 3 upon root 2 which is equals to root 3 by 2 upon 3 root 2 upon 2. Here 3 get 2 get cancel in the denominator, right? What we get here? Which implies x root 3 upon root 2 which is equals to. अभी क्या होगा वैल्यू हमें? अभी डिनोमिनेटर में तो चले गया, ए भी चले गया, ए भी चले गया. अब बचा क्या? रूट 3 अपॉन 3 root 2, right? Root 3 upon 3 root 2. Now x cube as it is here only, again which implies x as it is root 3 upon 3 root 2, it is as it is. Now this term take on RHS, it becomes root 2 upon root 3, right? क्या करें? x यहाँ पे ही रखें, रूट 3 by 2 RHS साइड में ले लिए, इट बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल. रूट 2 by root 3 here, root 3 root 2 get cancelled. Therefore value of x is 1 by 3 is the required value of x. क्या दे और एक बार रिपीट करते देखो मैं यहाँ पे. Find the value of x in the equation x into sin 45 degree into tan 60 degree which is equals to sin 30 degree into cot 30 degree whole divided by 3 cos 60 cosec 45 degree. दिए इसका वैल्यू हमें. Now x keep as it is. Sin 45 standard angle is 1 by root 2. Tan 60 is root 3 which is equals to sin 30 is 1 by 2. Again cot 30 is root 3 whole divided by 3 as it is. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cosec 45 is root 2, right? Now x root 3 divided by root 2 as it is, keep as it is this term which is equals to root 3 by 2 and again here 3 root 2 divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. In the denominator what we get here? 2 get cancelled. Just remains root 3 by 3 root 2. Write down as it is root 3 divided by 3 root 2, right? Now x keep as it is here only. This term root 3 by 2 take on RHS, it become reciprocal. X equals to root 3 by 3 root 2 as it is this term, and this root 3 by 2 when it come to RHS it becomes root 2 by √3. Now root 3 get cancelled, numerator denominator again √2 get cancelled. The final value is here x equals to 1/3 is the required value of this function, right? एक एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं आपको होमवर्क दूंगा, ये ट्राई कीजिए आप, इसका आंसर क्या आता बताना आप नेक्स्ट डाउट सेशन में बताना इसका आंसर, राइट? Verify that example 6, it is homework. Verify that 1 minus cos 30 divided by 1 plus cos 30, which is equals to 1 minus cot 60 whole square upon 1 plus cot 60 whole square. जस्ट वेरीफाई करना है यहाँ पे LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, राइट? फर्स्ट लेट अस कंसिडर LHS 1 minus cos 30 डिवाइड बाय 1 plus cos 30, इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. सिमिलरली गो फॉर RHS 1 minus cot 60 होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 plus cot 60 होल स्क्वायर, इसका भी सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए वैल्यू, स्टैंडर्ड एंगल वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. वैल्यूज क्या आते हैं क्रॉस चेक कीजिए दोनों का. LHS इक्वल्स टू RHS हो रहा नहीं हो रहा है. एक बार LHS इक्वल हो गया तो इक्वल लिखिए, LHS नॉट इक्वल बोले तो LHS इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू RHS, राइट? This much is in this lecture. Again, from Monday onwards, we will go to start allied angles. Monday से क्या करेंगे? We will start to solve trigonometric functions of allied angles. Important concept है. Monday क्या है वो concept से हम क्या करेंगे? स्टार्ट करेंगे. तब तक क्या है? Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.